Ever wondered how to draw clean professional lines in Google Slides? Stick with me, and in just a couple of minutes, you'll know exactly how to do it. No guesswork, no confusion. Start by opening Google Slides. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your Google account so your work saves automatically to your Drive. Once you're on the home page, you can either open an existing presentation or click on blank presentation to start fresh. With your slide open, look toward the top of your screen and click the insert menu. This is where all the extra elements live: shapes, images, text, and the line tools. Hover over line and you'll see a list of options: straight line, arrow, elbow connector, curve, polyline, and scribble. For now, pick the basic straight line. To draw it, click and hold your left mouse button anywhere on the slide, then drag to the length and direction you want. Release the mouse to drop the line into place. If you need to move it, just click the line and drag it anywhere on the slide. Now let's make it look the way you want. While the line is selected, check the toolbar at the top. You can change the color, line weight, and style: solid, dashed, or dotted. If you chose an arrow earlier, you can also adjust the start and end points to customize the arrowheads. Want something more freeform? You can go back to the same line menu and try Scribble for hand-drawn effects or Arrow for directional pointers. And that's it. You've just learned how to draw and customize lines in Google Slides. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and really helps polish your presentations. If this helped you out, keep exploring the other line types and styling options to level up your slides even more. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.